You see Grandma? What else?
Yeah, Mama.
There's Mama. Oh, it sure is. Who else do you see?
Is that you?
Is that Santa? That's Santa Claus. Do you like Santa?
There's another Santa.
There's Santa up there too. Oh. Well, I bet the thing may need water again too.
It might.
Probably good.
Is that you?
Oh. You like the tree? Is it pretty?
I just want cookies.
What's crab? Oh, is Crab eating?
Yeah.
Yeah. He likes his chips, doesn't he?
Yeah.
He does. Oh.
Beep.
A bip? Oh, what? You want a chip?
Yeah.
You do? Okay, well, let's go see if we can find a chip. She's cute. Oh, let's see if we can find a chip. Where are the chips at? Huh? Oh, she's opening the fridge. Huh? Do you want some grapes?
Yeah.
You do? Okay, let's get some grapes out. All right.
I want